If you are a HMO landlord or a property investor, then for the love of God, please do consider using push button locks instead of a key system for your HMOs. And there's two main reasons for this. The first is that tenants would much prefer push button locks. They'll absolutely love you for it, especially when they lose their keys. The other reason is because you also save a lot of money and a lot of hassle. You don't have to cut 3 sets of keys for every door, for example. Not to mention, hassles in the middle of the night when tenants lock themselves out, when they lost their key. And also there's also the key management headaches as well. Now, I get that push button locks look a certain way, but actually, from my experience as somebody who lets and manage high quality HMOs in and around Birmingham and single lets, tenants do actually prefer the push button lock system because they're much more convenient and it saves them a lot of money. All right. Sorry, one thing, if you do go and have a key system for your HMO rooms, then the best option is actually to have a key safe at the outside for the external doors, for the front door, and then an internal key safe on the inside, somewhere discreet, where then you can put the internal doors. But if you can, please do use push button locks instead of a key system. All right, hope that's been helpful. See ya.